Hey guys, McMuffin here. Today, we better have a comfy seat because you have the best seat, the comfiest seat. I don't know why, you just do. Because, I don't know, but today, I'm going to show you my dog. Come here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Here he is. Very excited, as you can see. He's fun to pet and really fluffy. There is my dog. So, yeah. I'm very excited to be on the show today, as you can see. Tails wagging and all that. So, yeah. I'm really tired today, so I better go lie down. That's my video for today. Oh yeah, and one more thing. There's now a question of the day. So, the new question of the day is, where did your mom come from? Oh yeah, that's it from McMuffin Talk. Peace!